Insurance is basically a risk management mechanism, and it comes in play because we know that in as much as people could be careful, they put fire extinguishers in their buildings, they have speed limits and speed governors in their vehicles, accidents still do take place, fires still do happen. Even with very careful agricultural practices, droughts will still affect farmers. Thieves will still come by. Death comes. What we don't know is when it comes, but surely it comes. So when you have children and it happens, then there is a risk. So insurance comes in to help us anticipate that these risks are inevitable. Even when you have been very careful at risk management, there are some residual risks that remain. And insurance comes in to manage those residual. And here I'm actually emphasizing residual risks, because insurance is not a substitute for good risk management. You have done your best, but even after you have done your best, there is some element of risk that remains.
Room for error.
You drive very careful on the road, but there is that other careless driver who will ram into you. There is that other, maybe the lights could have challenges, the visibility is poor, and you ram into an accident. Technically, we call that a residual risk. So insurance comes in to help you manage that residual risk, to ensure that when that risk happens, you actually don't go under. So that is basically all about insurance. And when taking it to our environments, people have come up with some traditional insurance management mechanisms. When I look back at my village, people put money together and they say if some poor loses a relative, there is some money they can run to, because they don't know when it will happen. When some poor's wife gets issues and they have to bring her to Kampala, the village contributes. You don't know when that problem will come. So that is some form of insurance at local level, but what for us we do in the insurance industry, we have upgraded that concept to make sure that it is a sustainable risk management mechanism.